Hi, my dear students. It always seems impossible until it's done. Always aim high and set your goal for centums. Scoring centum in mathematics is definitely possible with regular practice and hard work. This chapter helps you to score more as this is a student friendly chapter. So, today's session will be a revision of all my previous sessions and short revision of matrices. In my first session, we have learned about the matrices. We had started with an introduction, order of matrix, types of matrices, and equality of matrices. What is a matrix? A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called the elements of the matrix. What is the order of a matrix? A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of ordered m by n. Types of matrices: row matrix, column matrix, null or zero matrix, rectangular matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix. What is a row matrix? A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. What is a column matrix? A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. What is a null or zero matrix? A matrix in which each element is zero is called a null matrix or a zero matrix, and it is denoted by 0. What is a rectangular matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. What is a square matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. Note, let A equal to A of ij n by n be a square matrix of ordered n. Then the elements of A11, A22, A33 and so on ANN are called diagonal elements. Diagonal matrix: a square matrix in which all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0 is called a diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix: a square matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. Identity matrix: a square matrix in which each diagonal element is unity is called a unity matrix or identity matrix. The identity matrix of ordered n is denoted by In. Equality of matrices: two matrices capital A and capital B are said to be equal. Condition 1. If they are of the same order. Condition 2. All the corresponding elements are equal. In NCERT textbook questions, exercise 3.1, more practice was given for important questions. Question number 1, 5, 6, 7, 10. Second session was purely based on operations of matrices. Sum of two matrices. If capital A and capital B are matrices of the same order, then sum of the corresponding elements of capital A and capital B. Subtraction of two matrices. If capital A and capital B are matrices of the same order, then subtracting the corresponding elements of capital A and capital B. Properties. If capital A and capital B are two matrices, then property 1, A plus B equal to B plus A is commutative law. Property 2, round brackets of A plus B plus C equal to capital A plus round bracket of B plus C is associative law. Property 3, A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. Here 0 is an additive identity. Property 4, A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0, where minus A is additive inverse of A. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Let capital A equal to A of ij m by n and k be any scalar. Then the matrix obtained by multiplying every element of A by k is called scalar multiple of A by k. Multiplication of two matrices. Two matrices capital A and capital B are said to be comfortable for multiplication if the number of columns in A is the same as the number of rows in B. Properties of multiplications of a matrices. If capital A, capital B and capital C are three matrices, property 1. Matrix multiplication is not commutative law. Property 2. Round brackets of AB into C equal to capital A into round brackets of BC is associative law. Property 3. Capital A of B round brackets of B plus C equal to AB plus AC and round brackets of A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC is distributive law. Property 4. Product of non-zero matrices may be a zero matrix. If AB equal to 0, neither A or B is a zero matrix. Property 5. Multiplicative identity. For every square matrix A, there exists an identity matrix of same order such that IA equal to AI equal to A. NCERT textbook questions. Exercise 3.2. More practice was given for important questions. Question number 1, 3, 4, 10, 11, 13, 16, 19, 20. Example 13, 16, 17, 18. Third session was discussion on transpose matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrices. Transpose of a matrix. Let capital A be a matrix of ordered m by n. Then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of A. It is denoted by A dash or A transpose. Properties of transpose of a matrix. Property 1. A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Property 2. Round brackets of A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Property 3. Ka whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. Here K is a scalar. Property 4. AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. Theorem 1. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Theorem 2. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of A symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. A equal to of A plus A transpose plus of A minus A transpose. NCERT textbook questions. Exercise 3.3. More practice was given for important questions. Question number 2, 5, 8, 10. Example 22. Theorem 1 and 2. In my last session, we have discussed about the elementary operation method and invertible matrices and inverse of a matrix by using elementary or row or column transformation. What is elementary row or column transformation of a matrix? An elementary row or column transformation is a transformation of any one of the following three types. Type 1. The interchange of two rows or columns. Type 2. The multiplication of a row or column by a non-zero scalar. Type 3. The addition of a scalar multiple of one row or column to another row or column. Invertible matrices. If A is a square matrix of order M and if there exists another square matrix B of the same order M such that AB equal to BA equal to I, if product of matrix A and B you will get I identity matrix, then B is called the inverse of matrix A. It is denoted by A inverse. How to find inverse of a matrix by using elementary row or column transformation. Let capital A be a non-singular matrix of order n, then capital A equal to IA, equation 1. We shall use elementary row transformation on equation 1 so that LHS reduces to I and RHS the shape of I equal to BA, equation 2. Then the matrix B will be required the inverse. Therefore, A inverse equal to B. NCERT textbook questions exercise 3.4. More practice was given for important questions. Question number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Example 24, 25. In exam point of view, matrices chapter has a weightage of 9 marks. Based on my experience, I would like to discuss the chapter questions and the pattern of the questions which will be asked in the board examination. One question will be asked for 1 mark, either it will be definition or basic problems on matrices. Previous year questions 1 mark, they will ask question number 4 in question paper. First question number 1. If a matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? 2020 March. Question number 2. Define a scalar matrix. 2019 March. Question number 3. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to A of ij equal to I by j. 2018 March. One question for 3 marks. It can be a elementary operation method or sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Previous year questions 3 marks. Question number 27 in exam question paper. Question number 1. If f of alpha equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, prove that f of alpha into f of beta equal to f of alpha plus beta. 2020 March. Question number 2. By using elementary transformation, find the inverse of the matrix A equal to 1 minus 2 2 1. 2019 March. Question number 3. By using elementary transformation, find the inverse of the matrix A equal to 1 3 2 7. 2018 March. One question for 5 marks. It will be definitely on operations on matrices, exercise 3.2 problems and solutions of examples. Previous year questions 5 marks. Question number 40 in exam question paper. Question number 1. If A, B, C are matrices are given, then compute A plus B and B minus C. Also verify that A plus round brackets of B minus C equal to round brackets of A plus B minus C. Question number 2. If A equal A matrix given, then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I equal to 0. 2019 March. Question number 3. If A, B, C matrix are given, calculate AC, BC and A round brackets of A plus B into C. Also verify that round brackets of A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. 2018 March. Students, I would like to say that scoring 9 marks in this chapter is easily possible as this is a student friendly chapter. A great mathematician, Shakuntala Devi, said that without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is in mathematics. Everything around you is a numbers. Thank you all.